Hey guys, Nick Miller today from Mark Supply Company. Today I have for you a like new 2021 Kubota RTVX1140. This unit has 32 hours and I believe it's 98 miles on it, which we'll show you here in a second. So the RTV1140 is a four-seater unit based off of the RTVX900 chassis. This has a convertible dump bed on it that'll allow you to convert that to a full-size dump bed by putting the seats up and making it then a two-passenger unit. Very nice unit if you're on the ranch farm where you need to haul guys 1 minute and then have tools in it the next, which is a really nice feature on this particular unit. It is going to have your roof and Kubota factory windshield on it, four-wheel drive, hydrostatic transmission, and as always, powered by the very powerful Kubota 3-cylinder diesel engine. We're going to start you here right underneath the seat. We are going to run you around this unit, kind of show you all the features and aspects of it. I'm going to go ahead and open up this compartment. Under here, it's going to be powered by a Kubota D1105 3-cylinder diesel engine. Starts and runs excellent. There's no abnormal noise, smoke, blow-by, anything of that nature. We have done a full service at 30 hours, and then we did run it around here and we used it, so there's 32.8 hours on it now. I'm going to fire it up. We're going to dump the bed here for you. Underneath the bed, obviously you can see your hydrostatic transmission. There's no rust, there's no anything. This again is a like new unit, okay? And you can see here in the bed, I'm gonna fire it back up. Sprayed in bed liner, obviously. We're gonna have our bed here. All orange is in beautiful shape. You can see down here, everything is very, very, very nice and clean. Rear tail lights, front work lights, very clean. All the seats are excellent. And obviously then whenever you go to do this, you fold this up. This is going to slide forward, which we took very good pictures of it. And then this all folds out in the nature in which you're going to use it. Okay. Up front, you have your brush guard. Underneath the hood here, you're going to have your front radiator, transmission cooler, hydraulic cooler, air filter, overflow jug, parking brake. Everything is going to be up front here. Everything is underneath there is like new. It's just absolutely clean. Tires are going to be about 95%. All the little tits are still on them. Going to have your dump valve here with lockout. You have your locking differential hold up there. Adjustable driver's seat. Then if you head around to the other side, we'll show them some stuff here. So, again, you're going to have your hour meter, 32.8 hours. We're going to go ahead and start it. That then converts to your odometer, so 93.8 miles. You will have here your glove compartment, which you can stow some different things in there if you'd like. You're going to have your horn. You're going to have your headlights, parking brake, tilt steering wheel. And then you're going to have your 3-range transmission. When I say 3-range, you're going to have low and high and reverse, okay? Obviously, your throttle. And again, you have a factory roof and a factory windshield, okay? So, I'm going to fire this unit back up. We're going to run it around here and show you everything works the way it is supposed to. Again, this is a 4-seater model. Very nice unit. I had 4 items that come out of this particular place. This was off of a horse farm. They have basically folded up their operation. We had an RTVX900, this unit, and we have 2 0-turn mowers that will be coming up for sale. But privately owned pieces, beautiful condition. We're going to fire it up, run it around, show you what it's supposed to do. We are in high range right here. One nice thing on the Kubota, when you let off the throttle, it comes to a stop. Okay, now I'm going to show you guys something. There the tires spun. I'm going to go ahead here and put it four-wheel drive. Tires don't spin. That's how you test the four-wheel drive. We're back to spinning, okay? Now, we are going to go ahead now, low range. If you are honestly looking for a like new one of these units with no hours and no miles, here it is. I like these 4-seater units. I think they're a very tough work vehicle, and especially if you are going to be on the ranch. So we're backing up. Still gives you a true hydraulic dump bed, true hydraulic power steering, but you also have the true ability to haul multiple men on one unit. So again, Kubota will run 24, 25 mile an hour downhill in a windstorm. If you truthfully are looking for a unit that runs 55 or 60 mile an hour, this is not for you. Don't even look at it. But if you want something that has independent, fully independent suspension, that is truthfully built like a heavy duty truck that you can carry basically 5 people on and still be comfortable, here's something to take a look at. And if you want a true work vehicle for on the farm, these are the ultimate machine. Hydrostatic drive, legendary and reliable Kubota diesel engine. These have been around a long time, and again, they're not cheap, but they are a heck of a unit, and you get what you pay for today. The nice thing with these units are hydrostatic transmission. It's not like your Rangers and all your other units like that, Hondas, where they're a variable geometry clutch. This will hold back on the mountain also, which is really, really nice. If you got any questions, 814-658-3066. The unit is 100% serviced and ready to go to work. All filters and oils have been changed with factory OEM Kubota filters, and that thing is 110% ready to work on your job site. If you have any questions, 814-658-3066. As always, thank you very much for checking out Mark Supply Company. Have a great day.